Is Windows failing to load because of the Downloads module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. As we look at the manual steps for Downloads module, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This is the Downloads module, frequently associated with third-party web accelerators or localized browser integrated tools. It manages the multi-threaded chunking of large file downloads. Because it initiates remote socket connections, it is a high-risk file for malware hijacking. If missing, the parent app will report a network library load failure when attempting to fetch data. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Since Downloads module DLL is an application-specific dependency for localized download management manifest, you need to download the latest version of the software throwing the error to properly register the library within its own folder. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Downloads module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Most individual downloads of Downloads module DLL are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. The link below references a resource for reviewing workstation health and Downloads module synchronization. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Downloads module today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.